Hey, in this course, I will take you through the GUI development from very basics to advanced in Python using PySide6, which is the binding to GUI Qt toolkit. So in this introduction video, I'm going to discuss two important terms that you need to learn before we proceed. So let's talk about event-driven programming. In this type of programming, the flow of execution is determined by the events that occurs, such as a user interacting with an app. So whenever the user takes an action, the associated actions takes place. So the flow of execution is not predetermined. A loop called event loop is what handles all these events, but let's not talk about it here. The another concept I want to discuss is widgets. What are widgets? They're basically objects with which a user could interact. Your entire application is built of different widgets. It could be buttons, labels, text fields, and so on. That's all you need to know for now. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.